Welcome to our video on cloud maintenance. We'll explore its significance in ensuring optimal performance, security, and reliability of cloud-based services. Regular maintenance is key to preventing downtime and enhancing system efficiency for organizations. Cloud maintenance involves performance optimization by monitoring resource usage. This ensures efficient allocation and avoids performance bottlenecks. Updating software and applications is crucial to maintain compatibility and functionality, keeping systems running smoothly. Security management is a vital aspect of cloud maintenance. Conducting regular vulnerability assessments and patching known security flaws helps protect against threats. Updating security policies ensures compliance with emerging threats and regulatory requirements. Update security policies to address emerging threats and meet compliance requirements. Data backup and recovery are essential for maintaining data availability and integrity. Routine backups and testing recovery processes ensure that data can be restored effectively in disaster scenarios, safeguarding critical information. Resource scalability is crucial in cloud maintenance. Evaluating usage patterns allows for scaling resources to meet fluctuating demands. Removing unused or underutilized resources helps minimize costs and optimize efficiency. Review usage patterns, allocate resources to fit current demands, and remove unused or rarely used resources to save money. Compliance and audits play a significant role in cloud maintenance. Regularly reviewing configurations ensures adherence to regulatory and organizational standards. Documenting changes in maintenance activities is important for audit purposes. System updates and patching are necessary to improve stability and performance. Applying updates and firmware patches helps maintain system integrity. Automating updates where possible reduces manual intervention and potential errors. Monitoring and troubleshooting are key components of cloud maintenance. Utilizing monitoring tools helps detect and resolve issues proactively. Setting up alerts for unusual activities or system anomalies ensures timely responses to potential problems. In conclusion, cloud maintenance is essential for sustaining the efficiency, security, and reliability of cloud services. Proactively managing resources and addressing vulnerabilities maximizes the benefits of cloud infrastructure while minimizing risks and costs.